Another new development by the Kobayashi Group is this beautiful luxury tower coming to Kaka'ako on the corner of Ward and Ala Moana, and it's going to be called Alia. It's going to be a beautiful unit, higher end than one Ala Moana, and maybe just a little bit under what Park Lane offers. Right now, they are offering 1-year owner-occupant, and soon all of those units that are left unsold will turn into investor units, which means you can do whatever you want with them. There's still quite a bit of inventory left. Some of the amenities are going to include a bowling alley, movie theaters, basketball court, pickleball courts, karaoke rooms. There's going to be 2 swimming pools, 2 jacuzzis, and a bunch of sauna places, cold plunges. This building is going to become a playground within itself. Alia will offer 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms, and a few 3 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms with a den. There are no studios in here, but the pricing will start around the high $800,000 for the 1 bedrooms. There will be a reserved housing component within this building as well. There'll be about 40 units or so, and that release should come later, so stay tuned for more details on that. So if you're interested in a brand new Kaka'ako building, which should be completed in about 3 years in the year 2026, contact me for a presentation, and I'll show you exactly what's going to be developed here, as well as the floor plans and the pricing for you to look at.